Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kirti. I'm here to present a case of Goldenhar syndrome. A 10-month-old male child was brought by his mother to our ophthalmology OPD with chief complaint of whitish growth was noticed in left eye by mother since birth. History of present illness, whitish growth in left eye since birth. Size of swelling was initially increasing but remained stationary since 2 to 3 months. There was no other significant ocular symptoms. History of difficulty in feeding, breathing and sleeping present since birth. These were the clinical pictures. On local examination, face bilateral cleft lip with cleft palate and bilateral preauricular tags were present. On ocular examination, both eyes target fixation was present. Right eye anterior segment within normal limits. Left eye symbol limbal dermoid mass of size 4 into 3 mm present at inferior temporal quadrant, oval in shape, white color, surface of swellings normal with well-defined margins. Both eyes fundus was normal. Discussion. Goldenhar syndrome is also known as facio-auricular vertebral dysplasia, first and second brachial arch syndrome or verocardiofacial dystosis. It is characterized by triad of anomalies comprising of epibulbar dermoid or limbal dermoid, accessory auricular appendages and oral fistulas. Most cases are sporadic but familiar occurrences have been observed. Diagnosis is primary clinical based on history, examination of eye, face and skeletal systems. Conclusion. The prognosis for this condition is good in patients with no systemic complications. Management of Goldenhar syndrome requires a long-term commitment with treatment spanning the child's period of growth and development. Treatment should be individualized, adapted to age as well as to the extent and severity of disease. These were my references. Thank you.